Hi, my beautiful people. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please, before you leave, don't forget to press that red button which says subscribe. Subscribe to this channel and you will never regret or joining this lovely family. If you are watching me from my Facebook page, don't forget to press that button which says follow. Follow this page. You are going to learn a lot from this page. Let's dive into today's video. Today, I will be showing you guys how you can prepare your homemade cough syrup without going to pharmacy to buy any cough syrup again. The ingredient is very simple. All the ingredients, all of us have it at home. Let's dive into the preparation. I have garlic here. As you all know, garlic is very good for health. It has a lot of benefits. Okay? So I will be slicing the garlic. I've peeled it. I will be slicing it. I've been using this home cough syrup for the past 12 years now. It's very, very good. Okay? I've cut it now. I will be adding it to the bowl. I have my red onions. If you have the white onions, you can also use it, but I prefer using these red onions. Okay? We have to cut it. Remove the pigs. Oh. I'll slice it. Let me take a big knife. Slice it. And add it to the bowl. I will be using 3 onions. I decided today to share this remedy with you guys. Una know na, anything wey I don dey use wey dey good to me, I must surely come here and share it with you guys. Okay? There is no need of going to the pharmacy to buy any syrup. Now, I know say that cold time with this, so winter. Children, they get cough. So you can just prepare it. It's so simple. At all. That's all I want to do. So I've sliced the onions. Can you guys see it? So I will be using my lemon. Okay? I will be using this 6 lemon to prepare it. I'm coming, guys. Let me take my time. Now So what do we want here? We want the juice. We only want the juice of the lemon. Add the juice. I've used the first one. Let me cut the second one.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too
Just
long.
add the juice to it.
If I can lay down beside you,
I will be using the third one.
when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
You can use your juicer if you have. If you don't have, you can do it the way I'm doing it now. Okay?
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay
Let me
down
add one.
beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
Let me remove all this one and come back to you guys, okay? Now, what I will be adding is my honey. Okay? Just add your honey to it. I will be adding 2 spoons, 2 tablespoons. Let me put this one out.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside
2 tablespoons.
I would.
It's now time for us to turn it together. Just mix it together. Okay? Can you guys see it? What I will do now is to cover it up and leave it at the fridge for 24 hours. Okay? I'm going to leave it for 24 hours. I will come back and show you guys tomorrow. Okay? See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. As you can see, just look at it. After 24 hours, this is how it looks like. Okay? You just have to turn it together. Now, what I will be doing now is to take the juice. We don't need the onions, okay? Are you guys see me?
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well.
Yeah?
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for
I'll be throwing this one away. We don't need this one, okay?
If I can lay down
This is the
beside
one we need. This is the real cough syrup. Can you guys see this? You can do it at home. Now, I have my own bottle here. Just take any container you have. I will be putting it here. Can you guys see it? It looks like I measured it. Just look at it. It's up to here. This is your homemade syrup. Just keep it at the fridge. Anytime you want to take it, shake it, and take 2 tablespoons for adults, 1 tablespoon for kids. Okay? Don't give it to kids that is not up to 1 year. It's from 1 year. It doesn't have any side effect. It doesn't have any side effect. Can you guys see it? Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.